Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. So let's update our view on the Bitcoin market. So probably in the nearest few sessions it will be quiet because of the celebration of the Thanksgiving. But here are still a few moments to update that we have on daily intraday charts. On the long-term picture, nothing has changed. Actually, we have the same targets in place that we have discussed. This is 38 and the 41, 42. But in the recent few sessions, really epic event has happened. So you know all this turmoil around the Binance. So we have touched this topic in one of our monthly fundamental reports on the Bitcoin, and we said that actually the ETF rush and the pressing on the Binance is actually the parts of the same puzzle. So United States would like to concentrate the control over the cryptocurrencies in one hands. They do not want to have some external participants in all this structure. They would like to control the trading process only with the one exchange, which is a Coinbase, is a domestic exchange. They do not want to have external players, and they don't want to share the fees with the other structures as the Binance. They would like to concentrate the all amounts of the Bitcoins among the ETF, and that creates the overall very well controlled structure by the Security and Exchange Commission and the Fed on all this market, where it will be concentrated really big bulk of the market in general, because ETF will start to buying and sucking all the cash Bitcoins across the board, forming the pool to start issue the shares of the ETFs for selling. So also we suggest that the herd of the Binance is a positive factor for the Bitcoin, because a lot of coins now are holding on accounts on the Binance, and all of them will be withdrawn on some values. So it means that the amount of the Bitcoins in free flow will become lower. And in the moment of the improvement of the ETF, it could push the Bitcoin price significantly higher. That's what, just briefly, the background on the current events that is happening. Next week, we also would like to release the new report, monthly report on Bitcoin. We will take this topic in more details there, but currently it's just as I explained. So speaking on the technical side, here we see some bullish moments on Bitcoin. First of all, the bullish dynamic pressure on the daily charts becoming more evident. You could see that market is forming high lows while the market stands flat on the top. Trend nominally stands bearish, but price action is not. And here we also have a kind of the double ripple failure pattern is confirmed. This together suggests that we should get some upward action, whether it will be strong or small, but it's definitely bullish picture. On the 4-hour time frame chart, our butterfly has not been completed, as market is showing this drop right back down, return right back up. So here we just reshape the possible butterfly and has two different extensions. Here it's 38.40, but potentially it's also might be 1618, which is around 39.50. So there's two targets of these different butterflies exist right now on the market. So currently on the short-term situation, it's not many things to add. If you would like to take the long position, you probably could use just a small stressing upward swing. So considering some minor retracements, taking position, the validation point currently remains the same. As we already said about this, it stands below these lows. So if market will not be able to show any upward breakout and collapse here, dropping down, this of course destroys the short-term bullish context. Until this will not happen, theoretically some retracements and chances for taking long position might be considered, because on the daily chart, where obviously this performance stands in favor of the bulls more. So that's what we have currently on the cryptocurrencies.